Okay, how's it going, everyone? Just wanted to show you guys these highs and low formations for every 15-minute candle. So, okay, what clusters lead to an 8% chance, but I just want to adjust it. See what clusters. Minutes of every 15. So the more specific the better, right? Because we start with minute 0, end with minute 14, and then make a new 15 on minute 0, right? That is how it does it. How? Because I've done this before. 15-minute candlestick before expansion. Yeah. So now, so zoom in. Okay, it's gonna do some stuff here, but yeah, it should start analyzing. Okay. Okay, it's gonna take some time, but it's gonna, yeah, there we go, start analyzing now, coding it together. Probably make a mistake in its first set of code, maybe make some errors and then reanalyze again, and then spit it out, and then I'll tell it to show me that results accurately from the data that it just found. It's quite simple stuff. What is that? 1 times 1. Okay, what's next? Next I need to show you guys Google Map scraping, and then Google Map scraping. So I'm gonna show that, and then how AI can actually give a very nice script to actually auto message on WhatsApp and send whatever to those. So it auto adds those businesses' numbers, for example, and then sends them whatever kind of message in minutes or even seconds, depending on how many, right? So, yeah, and then journal as well. So I'll show you that journaling stuff as well. But yeah, yeah. But yeah, I definitely want to provide you guys with as much free value as possible because I feel like I need to do that. So, these are just things that I've been playing around with and learned over the years. So no reason not to show you guys. Maybe people would charge for this, but I'm not charging for this. Not gonna happen. Free value is the best value, in my opinion. I get some serious problems from sitting for so long, eh? Yeah. Okay, I'm hoping it actually gets it right this time and no errors, but maybe not. Might have to analyze again. Let's see. Okay. D2. Oh, what is that? Oh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So you can see my highest probable cluster is minute 0, right? Minute 0. You can see this graph, like, very simple. Okay. This is going to be, normally we're going to have a 15-minute open, immediately create its bottom or top wick, and then expand until minute 14 to create that other range side. Alright. So the first extreme, 80% of the chance is probably minutes 0 to 5. Alright. Now, so distribution minutes, a large offset, so minute 0 is very large offset. But I think its chance, okay, smallest concrete achieving 80%, so more than equal to 80%, is 0 through 12. That window covers, oh, so it's minutes 0 to 12. Hmm. Okay, yeah. So the first extreme, yeah, so 0 to 12 is actually that opposing extreme. 12, but it doesn't show that in here, so I think it's spitting out wrong stuff actually. I would trust these graphs right here much more than compared to what it says. So they can say another thing, but the graphs usually won't lie. Okay. Total M15 candles, 20, okay, that seems about right. Yeah, read that stuff. Yeah, so, no, what was it? It was, yeah, the first extreme, either high or low, whichever occurs early in the candle. Smallest continuous window achieving 80% or equal to or greater than 80%, minutes 0 through 4. So minutes 0 to 4, not even 0 to 5, like I thought. But 0 to 5, yeah, I would say is a very good cluster. But 0 to 4 is the actual 80% on the dot, really. 0 to 5 might be 85%. Okay. Interpretation, yeah. Yeah, so if your goal is to capture the first 5 visible extreme, which I do, so what I do is trying to catch this first extreme before we expand. Because that's usually what we do for every candle. You can go look at it in the 15-minute time frame. You can see create these wicks and then expand. Okay. The first extreme high low goes with minutes 34. But yeah, watching the first 5 minutes of an M15 candle gives you an 80% chance of seeing whichever extreme M forms first. So especially in a PDOA, which is what I do, and with SMT. Oh man, oh man. But yeah, cool. Just wanted to show you guys that. Obviously, trying to provide as much free value as possible. But yeah.